Good evening.
Good evening.
Tonight we're going to be trying out a 2-star budget hotel.
And it's in the building behind us, which was first built in 1907. And it was actually a hardware warehouse and headquarters from Thomas Proctor and Son Limited. But now it's Easy Hotel. Easy Hotels were open in 2004. And the founder, Estelio, the entrepreneur of EasyJet, brought the EasyJet to the hotel trade. It's a 2-star budget hotel, so we're going to go inside and see what it's like.
So Howie, come join us and see what you think.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
As you can see, and £20 for early checkout,
Second floor.
check in even, £28 for late checkout, luggage storage, extra room cleaning, all little extras, even reusable bottles for £7. There's 417 rooms on 4 floors. There's a funny smell. Amazing the way the doors they just look like offices. This is our room, 222. I've got a big mirror. This looks pretty clean. I've got a normal TV, double bed, a little desk and chair, a mirror there, and a couple of coat hangers. It is pretty much a standard room. Outside we have got a window, not much of a view, as you can see. In the bathroom, taking the bathroom now, which is pretty basic, but it's clean. And the toilet, sink, mirror, and a shower. And the shower looks nice and clean, no complaints there. And it is a budget hotel, 2-star, and basically it's a bedroom and an ensuite. Like I say, you get what you pay for, and it's clean.
That's the main thing. It's
There's
clean.
no complaints there. I mean, it could have done with a kettle and some stuff like coffee and tea in, but it doesn't. It's very basic.
If you need a hairdryer, you have to go.
You have to go and ask at the reception for a hairdryer. This is not, you've got 2 towels and a hand towel. The beds, As you can see, it's just a basic double with 2 pillows. It looks clean enough. We'll check, see what the bed's like.
Quite firm. Pillows are a bit too soft.
We'll see what it's like in the morning. You see stains on the bed. A little hair, if not, I can pick her up. Right, we'll settle down and we'll let you know how the bed is, and we'll let you know the price in the morning. So, good night.
Good night.
Morning.
Morning.
Right, it's just gone 6:30 and we'll get ourselves up and get ourselves ready. So, we'll see you in a couple of minutes. Hey, pros and cons of a budget hotel. Pros, located in a brilliant position, is 10-15 minutes to get you anywhere in the city. You're right on the quayside.
Cons?
I mean, it's clean enough. There was a few marks on the bed. You're very basic. A couple of hangers, but that's a budget hotel. The bed, we didn't sleep very well.
Very uncomfortable.
Not our liking. You may like a very firm bed. I don't. It was literally just like sleeping on a brick.
Pillows. Not enough pillows.
Could have done with some pillows. And I always say you should have a kettle in the room.
Yep. Takes nothing to put a kettle in.
Price wise, we upgraded to a superior room. This is actually a superior room. And it cost for £57 for the night. Which, yeah, it seems reasonable, but for what you get, I think it's like I say, I think you should have a kettle in that. I mean, you may like this sort of thing, it's cheap enough. It gets you pretty much near the city centre.
I mean, the staff's nice.
And the
Nice
staff
help.
are really,
Yes.
really helpful, really
Yeah.
friendly.
You cannot knock them.
Right now we're gonna go and check out. If you like this sort of video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Doors closing.